Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, it is that time. It's time to do some decorations for Christmas 2020. So I got a pencil tree. As you can see, okay, I'm over here. I got a pencil tree from Walmart and I'm gonna do like a little put it together. So what I want to do just in this video, the next video I'm going to show you like the haul that I got and a few pieces that I got for some balls and some decorations. I didn't even find a whole lot, and I didn't wait at the last minute. I guess I didn't really see anything. Hobby Lobby was already practically sold out, and also Michael's didn't have a really good selection, so I had to end up getting some stuff from online and also from Walmart. Okay, and I didn't feel like going to other places like at home and stuff like that. So I'm just going to make do with what I have. My theme, if you look at Instagram, is going to be like a purple, lilac, silver. It's going to be a lot of bling this year, guys. No reds whatsoever. Now on the patio, I am doing red and white. But in here, I'm going to do purple. I mean, this place is starting to look like Prince's home. Okay, so it's going to be purple, lilac, like I said, silver. So, I think it looks pretty so far. I didn't think I was going to like it. I'm not a purple person, but so far I think it looks pretty good. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how I am going to do my tree, and also a good tip I just happened to find out by mistake. I'm not sure if it's the right way to do something, but guess what? It worked. So if you have a tree that is flocked like that, and I was sneezing the whole time it was coming out, and let me tell you what I did. I sealed it. I'm going to show you what I used. I sealed and glittered my tree. So it's already sealed and glittered. It's been sitting overnight. It's dry. It is not sticky. And what I'm going to do is show that to you, show you the process of what I did, how I'm going to put my lights on it and get it set up. And then I'll come back later, probably another day or two, and then show you my haul. All right. So, of course, again, thank you if you watched the video today. I just had to get the cleaning done, you know what I mean? So I wanted to get cleaning done. And again, if you haven't seen that video, just check it out. It's just a company sent me some things, and I just wanted to get Thanksgiving done. Everything's clean, and I like to start fresh for the next holiday. I don't want to, have a dirty kitchen and junk all over the place. I have junk all over the place here now, okay? So I already have stuff like everywhere, okay? So my thing is, just to do the tree today, go pull out some decor, and then what I do is I place whatever I want. Like my kitchen stuff is on the table, my patio stuff is there, everything is thrown in each room, sort of like in zones. So that's how I do my when I do my sort of decoration. So I don't know where everything is, because a couple things I am missing. I'm not sure how it's missing, because I don't remember throwing it away, but I'm missing my trees that I had on my table last year. I cannot find where they are, so I must have accidentally, I don't think I redonated them, so I'm not quite sure. So that's what I do. I put them in zones, try to figure out where things are before I place them on the tree or in this decor. As far as of course, I'll be doing the credenza, I'll be doing the fireplace, I'll be doing my table, of course the bar cart, and later on I will be doing the coffee station. So, okay, let me get started with this tree, and I'm going to show you the techniques I did for my tree and how to get that flock from coming off the tree. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl, so stay tuned. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, so I got the tree up. I just wanted to give you some pointers. I'm not going to decorate it yet. Unfortunately, the lace that I got one of the garlands, but I ended up using it over here for the credenza, and I went back to Michael's and it was gone. So I might have to end up using one of my old garlands. And I just kind of want to do like a tour, probably about a week or so, about a week, do a final tour of everything. I am going to show again how I did a couple little simple DIYs with the balls. Since I couldn't find something, if you can find something, especially when it's a color like purple or maybe a deep blue or something like that, that is sometimes hard to get, you know, just make your own. And just get some glitter or some paint and just make your own. So I did get a couple of the clear balls, and I wanted to show you how I did the placemat. So hopefully everything will come together. I did the wreath for the front door. I did another wreath. The only thing left for me to do in the living room is sort of like put together over the television, kind of fix up the credenza where that is. And then I sort of just wanted, instead of breaking up to each thing to show you how to do it, just do like a final tour of this is the pencil tree from Walmart. And again, this was $79.99. And I thought this was really so worth the price. Finally have something in that corner. I can finally, you know, put a tree up that's not really big. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. I really didn't think about the pencil trees. So I'm glad I got it. And I got the 7.5 footer because I wanted it really tall towards, you know, the curtain rod. So, and by the time I do a topper for it, it should reach close to the ceiling. So great, you know, I'm really liking this. I did the twinkle lights on it, as you can see, and I got this idea from another YouTuber. I will show you, especially the garland. So I want to definitely show you the crystal garland I got from Shop Wow Things. You're going to really love it. And the lights I got dirt cheap, so I want to show that. And hopefully we get it all put together and, you know, my purple theme. Okay. All right. So instead of just breaking up the videos, I decided let's do it in one video. So I want to show you here how I did my placemats. That I got this from Goodwill like years ago, and I figured I couldn't find anything in this color theme. I originally used this purple, which is my favorite purple, but you can see it really wasn't enough. So I had to really get a larger one from Michael's instead. So you see that I sprayed just like with the tree. This is where I got the idea from. I actually did the placemats first, and when I noticed that it stayed on, I was like, wait a minute, if I can seal these with glitter, why can't I sell a Christmas tree? And I noticed I was sneezing and coughing so bad, because if you're allergic to those Christmas trees, that flocking trees, man, that'll get to you. And it was just, I was just coughing and sneezing. Once I sealed it, guys, guess what? I think I sneezed one time. So again, I took the idea originally from doing this, and you see me, I'm spraying, adding glitter, I'm sealing as I'm going, and look at that, guys. Unbelievable. So I just wanted to try it to show you just a few extra things. Again, if you can't find that color, just go get some glitter. And Michael's was out of a lot of paint and glitter, so people were busy already. All right, guys, let's get started to the Christmas balls. For the balls, you could do different techniques. This one here, I guess I sprayed again. This is so much easier than brushing on it. I'm not sure. I have not seen anyone use this. I don't know if this is a new product or I just overlooked it, but I'm just loving. You spray it and then you just add any type of glitter or any embellishments you want on the ball. I thought it was so much easier. Your balls I actually did it on the inside, so I did a variation of paint on the inside. I like this frost look, and even though I couldn't find the balls originally, after I did this, then I found some of the balls, but I still like this version better because you can make it as thick as you want and as frosty as you want. I'm gonna go through the items that I got. I got this beautiful purple throw from Home Goods. I think it was about $16.99. I'm surprised I found something that really would match my bench. So this will go on the bench. That would be different variations of purple, but it really came out really nice. Now for the topper, I wanted to go with just the topper, no white tablecloth this year. I got this beautiful silver with the bling wrap in the middle of it. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous with the shimmer, you know, keeping with the theme of the silver and the purple, and pops of white on the table. Now these purple pillowcases are really gorgeous. I got these from Amazon. They are 16 inches each, and it came in a pair. I'll try to link it below, and I'm going to pair it with my pillow, the pillow that I had on the patio. So instead of buying, you know, save money, instead of buying pillows, just get the pillowcases, and that way I don't have to store my pillows. Now these ornaments here I got from Walmart. I thought they weren't bad. They kept it with the little winter wonderland frosty look. They only cost about maybe $2 per ornament. This one here I thought was really cute. I got this one from Michael's. And Michael's last week had the 70% off. Unfortunately, it's selling off Sunday when I went back for more. These cute little shoes here, these high heels are Walmart, surprisingly. And these again was about $1.98 each. The picks I got was from Michael's. I believe they were 70% off. Now this cute little a bird that I got actually had a covering, like a really different iridescent color I didn't like. So I took off the color, and underneath the cover off the birds, it had this beautiful feather and iridescent sort of looking wings. So this cute little like pearl beaded garland I got from Michael's, and these were again 70% off. I thought those were gorgeous. I bought 2 of them to wrap around the tree. Okay, then there's lights from Shop Wild Things. These were only $2.99 each. I thought this was really cute, and I like this version because it comes with the, I think the nickel battery, the small way with the smarter battery pack. You can just hide them in your decor. Now these cute bulbs I got from just the white one, the pearl white ones, and I got the iridescent ones. I did finally find them at Walmart, and these was only like you say $4. And the balls I got from Michael to do my DIY projects on, these are really cute. And these again was 70% off last week. Now this is the actually from Amazon. This light is the twinkle light that you saw on the tree, and it came in a set of 2, so there was about $17. I'll link that to the description box. Also these beautiful crystal beads, oh my god, garland. I have been looking for garland crystal for the longest, so I remember, let me go back to Shop Wild Things, and they had plenty of them to choose from, along with lights and batteries. So guys, I would also link the company in my description box below. Okay, this is the end of the video, guys. I just wanted to show you real quick the pencil tree, how I, flocked and sealed it, how I add my lights by, doing sections at a time, my haul, and also my DIYs. Again, if you're not a subscriber, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. And also, guys, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you at the next video. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. See you soon.